Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger mute messages. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger mute messages, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will search about the application of Messenger. Then in this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Messenger, and here you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.